So you're looking at pliers and clamps and the like, and probably electrical equipment. This is the Irwin Vice Grip 150mm wire strippers, and they're a great little tool for any electrical toolkit. They're simply for stripping the sheath off of either cable wires or flex wires. You simply put the flex into the wire strippers, squeeze and pull. You can adjust them to the exact depth of the sheath so you don't cut the actual cable itself, the actual wire itself. Very useful tool, should be in every electrician's toolbox, and if you're doing any electrical work domestically, you should have a pair of these as well.